is up, everyone? This is Jojo the Techie back again, and today we're posing a question. Can you use Magsafe on a Pixel phone, or any Android phone for that matter? The answer is yes and no, but let me explain. Now, don't get me wrong, I love my Pixel phone, but Magsafe is one of those iPhone features that I wish Android would borrow and bring over to the Android ecosystem. Thankfully, I can have my cake and eat it too, because the folks over at Pitaka sent over the MagEZ Slider. And while testing it out, which has been a lot, I found my answer. The Pixel on its own does have magnets, as you can see here, but they're very small, and if you try to place it on an upright MagSafe charger, it just slips off. So it does need a little help, and that came in the form of a MagSafe case. Now, Pitaka unfortunately does not have one available for the Pixel, but I purchased this one from Peak Design, which did the trick. Now, I was very interested in trying the MagEZ Slider from Pitaka because it is kind of unique. They call their design concept naturally charged, and that basically means that it includes a 4,000 milliamp power bank that charges when you put it back to its base. But when you're ready to go somewhere, you just slide it out the phone with the fully charged power bank, and it stays magnetically attached to your phone. This came really handy the other day when I had to take my son to an all-day thing. My phone was charged the whole time, even though I was using my phone all day recording. Also, the charger is a 4-in-1, which means you can simultaneously charge your phone, Pixel Buds, the power bank, and even a watch. Pitaka makes a power dongle to charge an Apple Watch on the side, but since I don't use an iPhone, I really have no need for an Apple Watch, so I won't be using the power dongle. Hopefully, they'll make one for the Pixel Watch. But specs aside, I have to say that my favorite feature of this charger is the rotary base, which can get very addictive to spin around. But the actual purpose of that is that you can easily get to all your accessories, no matter which side of the charger it is on. But also, let's talk about how nice it looks. It's got this brushed metal look that matches perfectly with the accessories I have on my desk. That said, don't expect this to charge your phone quickly. This charger outputs 5 watts, so this is something you want to use at your desk if you're there for longer periods of time. It also costs $129, which is not cheap, but that's the price you pay for quality stuff, right? I've used Pitaka products before, and that brand is solid. So to answer that question I posed in the beginning, can you use Magsafe with a Pixel or an Android phone? And the answer, like I said, is yes and no. So as long as the device has wireless charging capabilities and it has magnets that are strong enough to hold it in place, you should be good to go. Now, if it doesn't have strong enough magnets, you can always go with a Magsafe case, which there are a ton of them on Amazon that you can get for the Pixel and for Samsung phones, and who knows for how many other Android phones. So it's just really a matter of which one you like the best. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like what you saw, go ahead and click like, subscribe, and check out the link in the description below for the link to the Pitaka MagEZ Slider. And see you in the next one.